Hello and welcome back. And today we're going to talk about a good starting point for businesses and people to start getting into AI a little bit. Because a lot of companies right now are curious about artificial intelligence, but they're not always sure where to begin. The conversation about or around AI often jumps straight to some massive transformation, automation, or really dramatic predictions about future of work. But in practice, most organizations start somewhere much simpler. They start inside the work they're already doing. Marketing teams experimenting with idea generation and campaign drafts. Operation teams, they use AI to analyze patterns and data. Customer teams can use it to summarize, conversations or draft even responses for customers. In many cases, AI becomes, less of a disruption and more of a layer of capability that really helps people move through thinking tasks much more efficiently and quickly. Um, the other piece that really matters is training the people who already understand this organization. They already understand the business. The teams that know the customers, the teams that know the systems and the problems are usually the best place to start to begin building AI literacy within any organization or company. What they need is not really replacement, they need understanding. And they need what these systems can do, where they can be useful, and where human judgment still matters most, keeping the human in the loop. And as organizations begin experimenting now more than ever, it helps to establish some simple governance policies, not complicated policy documents, but clear principles so they know where to use it, where not to use it. Right? We want to protect sensitive information, review all AI outputs before they're shared, and maintain that human accountability for important decisions. Because when companies approach AI in this way, really a great way, it becomes much less mysterious and far more practical than most people would ever even imagine. It becomes a tool that helps people analyze, explore ideas, and move from questions to really insight, much more quickly. Um, there is a much more detailed version of this up on the stack about how organizations can really begin integrating AI, thoughtfully within that workflow and that culture. I'll see you next time.